Oh man, this is gonna kill my back. Today I'm gonna show you an easy way to pick up rocks, stones, twigs, anything on your lawn when you have to bend over 100 times to do it. This new tool I found is gonna solve that problem. You're not gonna believe how easy it works. Right here on the Everyday Man. All right, now don't laugh. It's for picking up dog droppings in your yard, but guess what? With those teeth, the spring action on here is so tight, it'll pick up rocks like nothing. Watch this. Right? Look at this. Doesn't matter how big it is. Look at the size of that one. If they're dug into the ground, just give them a little kick with your foot to loosen them up, and they're super easy to pick up. Look at this. You got it. This is amazing. Now, it's made out of plastic. It's only $6 at Menards. That took no time. The bucket's half full of rocks already. That was easy, a whole lot easier than bending over all over my backyard. And I'm telling you, that's killer on the back. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.